Good morning. Welcome to Yellow Door Urban Homestead. I am Asia, and this morning we are going to talk about strawberries and strawberry runners. I'm going to pull all the runners because I do not need them. I'm going to go get some compost, and I'm going to top dress this bed and hopefully get another flush of strawberries for the fall. So this is what a strawberry runner looks like. It basically came from the plant, started a new plant, which they call a child plant, and this one started another one. But they say this takes energy from the plant. So the plant is a crown, which can't really show you, I don't guess. Maybe I'll try. Let's pull you down. So the plant is a crown that looks like this. This is actually a runner. It's a crown. See that? So right here is a plant. And then they have runners like this right here that turns into another plant. And so this has already turned into another plant, and it started throwing out strawberry flowers. So I am going to pull that because, for one, you don't want to have too many actual plants growing in a small area. And I put the amount of plants that needed to be grown in this area. So if I allow that to keep growing, then they could possibly, start growing smaller, not producing as much. But I need my snippers, my trimmers, so I'm gonna go and grab those. Got them. My dog's walking by. She doesn't come in the garden, but she does follow up until the end. Then she goes and finds her own thing to do. She's gone. So, wasn't that many. Well, that's a weed, but there wasn't that many. There's that. Yeah. So, there's a few, and I think I'm actually just gonna give what I pulled off to the chicken. I got some black cow manure, bone meal. This is the one that I had, and I just sprinkled it into the bed because I just want to kind of show you what my issues are starting to be. They're very small, and then they just die out. And so I want to see if I can stop that from happening by giving the bed some nutrients. And like I said, I did this earlier this year, not last year, when I started to see small fruits and they were struggling. So that's what I'm going to do. And it worked. So I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to see what happens. So I have pulled back all of the straw, and it started breaking down. So if you look at it, when I got it, it was really dark, and it was really light and fluffy, and it's dark now and heavy because it started breaking down. So I'm gonna put this the compost down, and then I'm gonna put the straw back over it. I just basically make sure I move the leaves, because of course if you get the leaves wet and they stay wet, they can start to decay and break down. And so I'm just taking it a handful, moving it out of the way, moving the whole plant to the side and sitting it down. So when you do this, it's called top dressing. So you're top dressing or side dressing your plant. The moisture from the compost or from whatever you're putting down, even the fertilizer, is going to seep down in the soil from the top. So you don't have to dig it in or anything like that. You just put it right on the top of the soil. And as you water and things of that nature, the nutrients from whatever you put down will seep down into the soil and into the roots of the plants. I hope this video was helpful. I appreciate you watching. Leave a comment below if there's something different that you do to revive your strawberry bed. Thank you very much for watching. I will keep you posted. All right, thanks. Bye.